Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to create and upload shorts on YouTube. The first thing I do is open up a YouTube app, and then at the bottom here we have some options. You click on the plus sign.
Now record the shorts and add sound by tapping on add sound. So a list of sound will appear. You scroll through the list of sounds and choose the one you prefer. Now I'm scrolling through the list. I'm looking for the one I want to add to my shot. So it's a particular one I'm looking for. I've seen it. Now tap on the blue arrow icon that appears when it appears. So right now it's about to appear. It will appear at the right corner. That's it. Tap on it. And now it has loaded the sound into the shot. So I'm previewing my shot right now. It is without sound, of course. So now it's without sound.
If you're okay with it, click on next. Now you're going to add details like visibility. Do you want to be public, unlisted, is anyone with the link can view, or you want to be private. You can also click a schedule. So next, you can also I want mine to be public. I can even decide to publish it now. So I choose public. Then the next one, I go for location. You can put the location. You want the location, you click on this. I don't want. To select an audience, you can choose an audience. Yes, it's made for kids. You can also choose age restriction if you want to restrict your video. Then we go to the next one. You have related videos. Do you want to allow video and audio remixing? If you do, click on it. Add paid promotional label and the rest of them. You want comments. Now it is disabled because I said it is made for kids, but if I had not chosen made for kids to be enabled, so I'll be able to click on, I'll be able to switch on the comments. Now you can save as a draft or you can upload your shot. So tap on upload shot. So now it's uploading my video. So I can see the video by clicking on see video over here. And you can see the video uploading with the dates. Now it's preparing it and now it's uploading it. So after a few seconds of uploading, the next thing it's going to do, we're going to find out. So it's uploading my video. In this case, my shot. Now it's going to start processing it. So I'm going to process to 100%. So we have 4 minutes left. Once we finish processing, we'll see what happens. Now my video is ready to be watched. So that's it. I tap on it and now I can watch my video. And that is how to create and upload shorts on YouTube. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this, which we put up every day. Thanks for watching.